Well, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we're back over at Erlon's place. We're actually on our way over to O'Reilly Auto Parts to grab some brake fluid, and then we're gonna head over to the 335. So last video I wasn't able to show you guys, but the brake line on the rear ended up like ripping off, and also the brake caliper broke off. Erlon went and picked up those parts, so we have those parts now, but we just need some brake fluid to put into the car. So that's where we left off. We're gonna go to O'Reilly's right now, grab the brake fluid, and then go ahead and get started on the car. Alrighty guys, so after the last video on the E92, Erlon went ahead and actually put on those suspension parts. So that's why we were able to even drive it up here. So it does drive, which is really good, but we do need to fix the brake caliper, because right now what I'm doing is when I'm braking, I'm using the e-brake instead of the actual brakes, because it just shoots out brake fluid. So it's kind of unfortunate, but we're gonna go ahead and take off this wheel, get started on that, and then once we do that, we're gonna try to hammer this quarter panel out a little bit, because it is like rubbing pretty bad. Like, I think it's rubbing on the bumper the most, but it's still rubbing, and we just need to get that situated. So this is one of the old control arms, and it looks like it's a little bit, it is bent right here.
It's bent.
It's just bent.
Upwards and sideways.
And sideways, yeah. So it's bent up pretty good, but bro, we got it replaced thanks to Erlon. Huge shout out to you, fam. Appreciate you. But yeah, let's go ahead, take off this wheel, and get started on that.
Did it get inside?
Yeah.
Go.
What is it?
Brake fluid.
Holy crap, bro.
Did you get that on camera?
I think so. I know it got on the freaking...
I think I'm mainly on the door here.
Are we ready? Yeah.
Pump it.
I keep going?
No, keep it pumped.
Oh, just one big pump?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now let go. Pump it.
Okay.
Okay, keep it on. Okay, now let go. Okay, pump it again.
Getting pretty tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let go. Pump it. Okay, let go. Pump it.
Alright guys, so we got the new brake caliper on. Well, it's a used one, but new for this car. We put the same brake pads on, and then we also put the brake line in, as well as putting in new brake fluid. Pretty much now we're charging the car on the battery, because it didn't start for us. So we're gonna go ahead, wait for it to charge up a little bit, put on the wheel. Actually, no, we're gonna hammer this out, I think. I think we need to hammer this out more so that the wheel actually fits. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. It's working though.
Yeah. case you do keep the quarter, it doesn't rust through.
Yeah.
Here's primer.
Yeah, she's done right there. We're good to go, guys. Drive it.
I got that flat on the left rear tire.
Yeah. But it's driving.
It's driving.
How does it feel?
The clutch is kind of stiff.
It is stiff. That's what I'm saying. Like, it feels stiffer than normal. Maybe it has an upgraded clutch?
Possibly.
That'd be sick if it does.
Yeah, it would be.
Because it definitely would have had to been replaced by now. So maybe whoever had it just upgraded it.
Yeah.
Bro, it's burbling like crazy.
No. Bro, that burble is a lot. It does for what it is.
Cut. Let me see if I can get a good burble clip. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we drove the car, but we took it back out for another spin, and what ended up happening was when we were driving it, it kind of like slid to the side when you gave it gas. So like it would like, I feel like that alignment's out. What do you think?
We accelerated. If you accelerate, it jerks real bad.
Yeah, it really jerks like crazy. So we're probably gonna have to mess more with suspension sometime. We replaced one of the boost solenoids, trying to figure out why it's sounding kind of funky. It almost sounds like it has an exhaust leak, but it's definitely not an exhaust leak. We got this new bumper on, and we actually went to O'Reilly because we had a bad battery. The battery back here was not charging. The battery that came with the car was not holding a charge or anything, and so we went to O'Reilly and got it replaced. So that's good. Happy about that. So we got a brand new battery. So we're gonna go ahead and install this right now, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Alrighty guys, so we installed the battery. It works perfectly fine. But yeah, anyway guys, so we got the car up and running. driving. We drove it in the video, which is really nice. But the problem is, like I said, it like veers to the side. So if you guys know what that could be, definitely let us know, because it's not safe to drive like that at all. But yeah, other than that, guys, we're gonna try to knock this thing out. Hopefully take it to the body shop and figure out all that problem. We might end up having to replace the quarter panel, but we'll see if we can repair it first. Remember to check us out on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up both of our Instagrams. Definitely subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure to like the video. With that being said, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.